Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4S and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do it, press and hold the lower button right here. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And after the menu appears on the screen, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Now, scroll down through settings, find the option called the system. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called reset, and once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on the delete data and reset settings. Then tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see hello message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.